So today our video is how to find the mode of a number. So these are the steps of finding the mode of a number. First step, you will divide the number by a mode value. Then you subtract the integer part from the result. Then you multiply the result by mode value. For example, we take the example of 543 mod 26. So first of all, we divide the 543 by mode value. In this case our mode value is 26, so we divide with 26. So this is the result. We copy that and place it here. Now we see the second step is subtract the integer part from the result. Now we will subtract the integer part. Integer part is 20, so we divide the integer by 20 from the result. Now we'll check that what is the result. So this is our result. Copy that. We will place it here. Now our third step is multiply the result by mode value. Now we will multiply the result by 26. 26 is the mode value, so we will multiply that. So paste the result, multiply 26 is equal to. Now we will check the result on the calculator. So we open the calculator and multiply by 26. So our answer is 23. So this is the mode of 543. So this is the steps to find the mode of a number. So 543 mod 26 is equal to 23. Thanks.